Haas NBK Series Super Thin Chucks are specialised low-profile 3-jaw manual chucks designed to give you maximum Z-axis clearance. Their ultra-slim design reduces the overall height of the work-holding setup, allowing for increased machining space and efficiency. These chucks come in various diameters, 6, 8, 10 and 12 inches, and are engineered to provide high-precision clamping for both internal and external diameters. Featuring a 30-degree angled operating pinion, they offer high repeatability and feature a flange-type mount for quick, convenient installation of work tables. Built for durability, NBK chucks include standard tongue and groove hardtop and master jaws, making them ideal for heavy-duty drilling, tapping and milling operations.